everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I got a little surprise in the mail. Well, I sort of knew about it through Instagram. Now BETTYBOX contacted me saying that I may have won something or they were going to send something out to me. I don't think anything of it, but then he sent another little message saying how they were going to send it, and I was like, right, oh then. But then this came, so yeah, so let's open it. Let's just see what they sent me. Like, surprise, I don't know, not what they sent me, I don't know. They said that they did have won something, I'm not sure. So I'm just going to open this. So I had to use my mouth because it was like, this is just so strong. Right, so I'm so excited for this because I want to see what I've got. Well, anybody would. Right, so this is it. It's come in a bright yellow box as normally BETTYBOX does. BETTYBOX is £12.99. It is a period subscription box. I didn't pay for this, they sent it to me. So yeah, so let's get in and let's just see what goodies they've sent me. Right, so okay, you see them, right, so I'm just going to pull something out. So it says, Betty loves you. Here's an extra special something to say thank you for posting about your BETTYBOX. Because I always post about BETTYBOX, I post about all my subscription boxes, so you will see exactly what they like, what I think of them, and if they're good. So yeah, so this is what they sent me. Here's an extra special, something to say thank you for Betty, because I post and to tell you guys exactly what I think. So that is what it is. So, oh, we got a patisserie sugared violet hand cream. There we go. I'll just show you the box contents. And I haven't had a look at them, so I'm just going to have a quick look at this hand cream. Now, I love purple violet sweets, and I'm hoping that this is going to be like the purple violet. Are they purple violets? No, the Parma violets, aren't they? So yeah, so it comes like that. It's like a lilac. Oh, it smells exactly like the Parma violets. Oh, that's really, really nice hand cream. I love the scent of that. I just love it. That is really nice. Right, so let's pull out something else. Oh, we've got the hair ties. I don't really like to use these, but these will go in a giveaway or something like that. So yeah. And then we got, this feels like a heavy item. Wow, what is that? There we go, we got this is a hibiscus berry tea bubble. This is a wrist, so pleased it's a shower gel, so I can use this. This is like shower gel, and yeah, so I'm just going to dive straight in and have a smell of that. So it's supposed to be acuberry. Oh, it has a really nice smell. That does. I know it's got the silver top on it, but I can smell it through that. It's actually coming out. It's really nice scent to that. So super looking forward to that in my shower. And then we got, oh, we got a chocolate bar or something like that. Oh, we got a pen. That is really handy. With the watermelon on it. You see the watermelon design in the nice green colour. That is really nice. Oh, we got chocolate. I love chocolate, but it's dark chocolate. I love the milk chocolate. The bad one. But we'll try that in a minute. So let's just see what else we got. So this is a pink parcel moisturising hand sanitizer. So that will go in my bag. I do like the pink parcel logo. That is really good. And so yeah, so just have I'm just going to open it up. And I'm looking for something to open it. So I'm going to use my Cabral. You come in handy, Cabral. Yeah, so this is it. So it's just taking a while to open it. Come on. There we go. So it's in a handy case like that. So you'll see it. Now I don't even know how to use this. I think that just pops up like that. And does it just spray out? And it just sprayed out like that. Oh, it smells like watermelons. Oh, I love it. I do like that design as well. It's so handy. It's like you just know it's not going to come out because it's just really nice and quick. Really quick, handy, perfect if you don't like to put your hand on those elevators, you know, when you're shopping, and yeah, well, you pick up loads of germs on them. Handy for if you just been in the toilet and you just want to use one of these instead of using those taps that you use when you're out. Oh god, they're full of bacteria and all of that. So yeah, so this is really a good one. I'm so pleased I got this. So yeah, I did have enjoyed it. Really good. Thank you, BETTYBOX. And if you like this video, thumbs up, like, share. Please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye.